What's up viewers, hope you're well. Today Self-Care presenting a new video about garlic of China. Garlic is a popular ingredient for food, but you have to avoid bleached and chemical-laden garlic from China. In this video, I will show you how you can avoid this garlic, so keep watching and be healthy and happy. This is our YouTube channel Self-Care. Press the bell icon to get notifications of our latest uploads. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's start our today's topic: how to avoid bleached and chemical-laden garlic from China. About one-third of the garlic in North America comes from China, and it should not be trusted. Most, if not all, the imported garlic that comes from China is bleached to whiten the garlic and stop spotting. It is also fumigated with methyl bromide to kill insects and plant matter. According to the UN, methyl bromide is 60 times more damaging than chlorine and is the base of CFCs. If you are looking to get your hands on some good quality garlic, getting the stuff from China should not be your first pick. China is one of the largest garlic growers, producing around 5 lakh tons a year. Garlic produced in Yongyan County in Handan, Hebei, the center of garlic production, is often sprayed by illegal pesticides. This saves the farms time and effort, but puts our health at risk. In 2014, an official government report showed that over one-fifth of China's soil is contaminated by arsenic and cadmium. Almost all major rivers in China are tainted by large amounts of industrial chemicals and household waste. If we continue supporting the garlic industry from China, we are directly supporting the ongoing of these detrimental practices. Henry Bell of the Australian Garlic Industry Association notes that some garlic growers use raw human waste to fertilize their crops and believe the Australian quarantine regulations are strict enough in terms of bacteria testing on imported produce. You still want to eat China-grown garlic? Another problematic about buying your garlic from China manufacturers is the fact that it can sit in storage for over 1 year before you actually eat it. Buying garlic that has been sitting this long means you are not getting the beneficial compounds. So, how you can choose garlic that isn't from China and is locally grown? Grow an endless supply of it yourself. Buy locally from farmers you know and trust from a CSA outlet. Garlic bought locally tastes and smells much stronger than garlic from China, so you can tell simply by taste itself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.